Hi friends, once again welcome back to Roji's Share Tips. In this video, we are going to look at the Q2 financial results of Motherson Sumi Systems Limited. You can see that in Q2 2021, the net profit came around 383.18 crores. Compared to the previous quarter, it was only 197 last quarter. That means 93% up, it is increased. And if you compare to the previous year same quarter, it was only 145 last year, and you can see 164% increase. Now if you go into the half-yearly results came at this half 580.91 against the previous year same half of 16.39. That means 3544% increase. Even if you look at the EPS, you can see 1.20, 0.57, 0.48, 1.77, 0.08. So this year or this quarter you can see a good increase. Overall the results look very positive and highly explosive. And as expected, no dividend is announced this quarter. Based on the explosive and highly positive results, share is expected to go up from a current market price of 244 to 280-300 levels in a 14 days time frame.